Yo, what's up mga kapatid? Yo, what's up mga kapatid? Yo, what's up mga kapatid? Elmo na naman nga pala nagbabalik. Yo, what's up mga kapatid? Sunday afternoon guys, and so yeah, we supposed to meet Sarah today, but she's not feeling well today, and yeah, I told her to have a rest, don't worry about it. But now I changed my plan. I still need to go out because I need to buy some stuff for me to bring it tomorrow for our snowboarding, and I'm gonna eat outside as well because there's no food at home. There's no one at home. My parents still not there. We don't have any food, we don't have any stock, and yeah, so I still need to go out to eat outside. So I decided to go to the shop to buy something that I need, and I'm gonna eat as well. So yeah, Sarah's not feeling well today. She said she's gonna message me, she feel better later, but yeah, I told her to have a rest is better. And the weather today is it's not that cloudy, just a little bit. The sun came out a little bit as well. It's a bit windy, but it's not like really cold. That's why I'm just wearing sweatshirt today. I don't have big jacket. And yeah, samahan nyo na lang ako mamili. Bibili pala akong brief. Sabi ko yung brief ko butas-butas na. Oh, I'm here again. I'm going to the TK Maxx, guys. It's a bit windy though, it's a bit cold. I'm so hungry now. I'm going to Chinatown to eat something. My favorite place. Cheap and good and dirty. Yeah, dami ko na pamili man. Dalawang brief, isang t-shirt, isang sombrero. Ang ganda na ito sombrero na ito. Damn. Sarado yung daan dito. Hindi ko alam kung anong meron, no? Sarado. Dumadaan na sakyan. Sa gitna ako maglakad na. Ayun, yeah. Ano kaya meron? Ba't sarado? Check natin, no? Kakain na ako guys, gutom na ako. Punta lang sa Chinatown. What's going on in here? Why the road is closed? Hindi ko alam, may arang eh, oh. Road closed. Dabig nung hangin. Gutom na ako. Ay, kailangan ko pala ng cash. Kasi sa restaurant na pupunta ako, bawal yung card, cash lang. Kasi illegal yun. Mga illegal dito guys, tumatanggap ng cash. Pag mga shop or restaurant or bar, cash payment lang, mga illegal yun. Puro card na rito. Ayun, sarado. Siguro may event. Alam naman, police. May event siguro dito kanina. Pero double check natin. Let's see what's going on. Why the road is closed. Okay, sa daan ako maglakad, oh. Let's see what's going on. Or Chinese New Year. Kasi Chinese New Year. Tingin na. Kahit dito sarado. Papuntang Chinatown. Sarado din. May mga big bike doon. Tingnan kaya natin. Tingnan ko yung mga big bike dito. Buugong. Nawala na. Harry Potter. Baka nakapasok dyan eh. Pero yung ticket dyan guys, mahal. Yung mga theater dito, mahal yung ticket. Pero sulit. Kasi ang ganda. Pero sarado rito. Ay, sa gitna dumaan. Ang problema. Angas. Ay puta, baka maraming tao sa restaurant yan. Cash. Kailangan ko ng cash. Kailangan ko mag-withdraw. Ay, may parade eh, no? Siguro, may parade kaya yata kanina. At may screen pa rito. Tapos doon may... pwede magpa-picture sa bumbero. At pa may nabantag dito. I don't know how you call this one. Ito, pero may parade kanina. Maybe there's a parade. Kaya close yung daan na yan. May mga butit din dito. May mga nagtitinda, may mga street. Hindi siya street food. Mga lang ng Chinese. Ano pa libre? No, for sure it's not true. Ganda niya ako. Kumukha niya si sa Demon Hunter. Yung babae. Ayun. Mga lucky charm. They all like a lucky charm. So bumili ng paputok na yun. At tapos ang ampak. Ano? Kaya ko maaga siguro ako dumating, makakakita ko to. Dito lang akong dadaan. Kailangan mag-withdraw. Happy Chinese New Year! Takto yung haba ng pila. Yun lang. Hanap pa ako sa iba. Haba ng pila. Meron pa rin Dancing Dragon dito. Dancing Dragon, dyan ako kakain eh. Sa Wong Chi Restaurant. Dyan ako kakain mamaya. Kailangan ko ng cash. Daming tabod, no? Dami. Dito sana walang pila. Maka-withdraw ako agad. May Dancing Dragon pa naman doon. Hindi ako makakapasok. Siguro hanggang ngayon lang to kasi Sunday ngayon. Ngayon na sinelebrate kasi weekend. Kasi kahapon ganito rin dito eh. Withdraw na ako sa pagkain namin. Let's go. Gutom na ako. Chinese tea. This is good for the hot weather, guys. Busog man. Yung bago kong hat. Now, anong gagawin ko, ha? Hindi na lang ako makakain bukas. Breakfast. Meron pa rito. Ang dami. Dahil ko dito sa London, guys, ngayon lang ako napunta sa Chinatown na Chinese New Year. 16 years. Kasi lagi ako nagtatrabaho. Kaya ngayon wala akong trabaho. Makapunta tayo. Ang ganda ng trabaho na yun. Dito bibili ako ng pork bar. Laba ng pila. Oh shit, hawa ng pila. Bilang ko muna to. Dahil tao. Lalabas sila rin lang. Ay, dalawa. Masarap yan. Oh, nakabili na ako. So why the dark, guys? The sky is so blue. I'm going to walk around here, guys, because I don't have bus here because the road is closed. So I need to walk all the way down to Tottenham Court Road. It's not that far though. It's like 7 minutes from here, but I want to walk around to see what's going on here. I don't know if I need something else. I think I'm alright. Oh, yeah, I think I'm okay. I'm gonna go home now and prepare my stuff for tomorrow. Sarah just messaged me, guys. She's still not feeling well. I hope she's gonna be better tomorrow. It's a girl stop though, I can't tell you what's wrong with that. It's like a normal thing for the girl. Oh, look at them. So nice. I'm gonna walk from here, I think. Let me go straight. Oh, look at that. Whee! Sarado pa rin ang daan. Kaya kailangan ko maglakad papunta doon. Doon sa malayo. Paglakad pag ganito, kahit maraming tao, kailangan ka banggahan. Yung pedicab dito. Sarap talaga maglakad pag ganito.
It's never ever.
Gitna ng daan. Daing tao man. Alam mo. Sana may bus ako. Pag wala, GG. GG sir. Magkinaw naman kung magbabike ako. Yung rent bike. Dinner time kaya. Wala kaya maraming tao sa mga restaurant. Ah, busog ako. Stay. Sushi oh. Shit. Kung di pa ako kung gutom pa ako, bibili ako dyan. Kaya nabusog ako eh. Ayun oh, Sushi Noya. Bago siya. Ngayon ko lang siya nakita. Bagay, umalis ako rito. Sushi Noya. Ito yung old photo, parang ano, nakadyaryo pag kinuwanan ka. Lupit. How much is that?
Open price, you pay with everyone. Let's do it. You have card and cash.
Okay.
Nice. Good. You can put the bag here. On the here. Okay.
Okay.
Here in London.
Very nice.
Okay, I'm sorry.
What's your nose gonna?
Thank you. Pay. Already ready. I'll show you everything. Okay. 888. 2. 99. Oh, I'll add the paper. Come on. Hello, you'd like to take a picture too? Ha, it's an old press. Look at this.
Oh, that's nice.
Newspaper.
You like it?
With you on the first page. Oh, yours. Then take a picture and send.
Ah, look at that. I'm in the old press, London. This is so cool. It's an open price. You can pay whatever, how much you want. But I just got 10 pounds cash left, so I give it to her. That's alright. I don't need cash anyway. And my bus stop is nearly here, so yeah, I'm heading home now.